Hi, Jason here again with Pursuing Travel with the Millers. Today we're going to do a quick tour of our room that we stayed in on the Freedom of the Seas. We were in a normal interior cabin, and specifically the room was 7139. It actually was a very nice stay. It was the first time we had stayed in an interior room, and it actually had its benefits. So let's head on down the hallway and let's go to our room. So we had the beds pushed together. The Evian water that you'll see there, that is water that we ordered and was already in the room when we got there. TV was nice. That we had plenty of space for things and a mini fridge to keep our waters cool, a safe, and a decent amount of storage. And while the bathroom is a bit small, that's pretty common for cruise ships, it was still very nice. And we also have a love seat that is there in the room. One thing that we found was beneficial about an inside cabin, it was cooler than the balcony and window rooms that we've had in the past. Thanks for watching. Visit our website, the details are all in the description, and subscribe if you like this content, and contact us if you want to book your next Royal Caribbean adventure.